In this video, we'll show you how to prepare a document for signing. There are several ways to start. You can sign a document you had previously uploaded into the system, use one of the signing shortcuts on your home screen, Sign Now, We Sign, or They Sign. Or you can upload the document through the New Document button. Once your document is uploaded, click Prepare to Sign. How to set up your document details is shown in the video on Document Upload. Now select who you are preparing the document for. The Sign Now option is when you are only adding your own signature to a document. We Sign is when both you and the others are signing a document together. And They Sign is when you are preparing a document for others to sign. For now, let's go with the We Sign option. In this step, you set up your recipients and their tasks. You can select another user in your organization, someone saved in your contacts, or add someone by typing in their email address. Next, you choose whether the sequential signing order should be on or off. When off, the document is sent to all recipients at once. When on, each recipient receives the document only after the previous one finishes their assigned task. The order of recipients is specified by the number and can be adjusted by dragging the recipient up or down in the list. Each recipient has a defined task on the document. By default, it is set to sign, so they are adding their signature to the document. Other options are Approve, Review, and Accept, which all require some confirmation from the recipient, but not their visual signature. A group can be added, where all recipients receive the document at the same time. If the signing order is enabled, you can place the group anywhere. You can also decide whether everyone in the group has to sign, or if only one person's signature is enough for the document to proceed. You can also add viewers to the document. These viewers will be notified about this document and receive the final signed PDF, but they don't do any action during the process. The next step is adding all the necessary fields to the document. Choose the recipient for whom you will be placing the fields. You can place the field by clicking on it and dragging it to its place on the document. You can resize the field to fit your document and adjust its position. You can decide whether the field should be required, meaning the recipient has to fill it out to finish signing the document, or be set as optional. Fields can also be set as multi-page, which duplicates the field across multiple pages. Multi-page fields are connected. They are always in the same position on each page and are moved and edited as one. Signing fields can also contain a timestamp with the date and time of signing. You can add however many fields you wish. If you select several at once, you can also align them on the document. When adding fields for other recipients, you will see they are color-coded, so you can tell which field belongs to which recipient at a glance. In the last step, you can set up some details for the process itself. You can write a message for all recipients, which they will see in the email notification and in the comments. and you can leave a private message for individual recipients that will be visible only to them. For each recipient, you can customize permissions, protection, processing deadline, and reminders. Permissions specify what a recipient can do with the document: download, write annotations with rejection, or delegate it to someone else. Protection only applies to external recipients, and it can be a password that you set and share with the recipient, a one-time PIN sent via email, or one of the third-party applications. For UAE Pass verification, the email, phone number, Emirates ID, or any combination of the three can be verified. Processing deadline specifies how long the recipient has to finish their action on the document. Reminders are periodically sent notifications, so recipients don't forget to sign, and you set when and how often to send them. All of the settings can be configured globally as well, where they apply to all recipients unless customized. Once you're done, just click Send and the document will be processed and sent to its recipients. You can check when access to the document expires in real time and check the progress. Who has and hasn't finished their action, and send them a reminder.